All right there, boys and girls, here we are. Day 20! Yes! This is the finish line right here, right? All right, number one, let's get going. 50 plus 50 plus 3 equals 100 plus 30. All right, well, we know 50 plus 50 is 100, and 3 more is 103. This is 100 plus 30, not 3. So do these equal each other, 103 and 130? Correct. They do not. The answer is false. All right, number 2, write less than, greater than, or equal to. Well, we have 4 in the hundreds column either way, right? But this one has a 6 in the tens column. This one has an 8. So which number is bigger or which number is smaller, 68 or 86? 68 is less than 86. Very good. All right, count by fives, start at 225. So, well, that'd be 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. I can't drive 55. 60, 65, and 70. All right, now we're going to put 2's in there. So it's 230, 235, 240, 245, 250, 255, 260, 265, 270. All right, there we go. Number 4. I don't want this to end. It's day 20. It's okay. We're going to go to April. Fill in the missing numbers on the number line. All right, so let's do that. 525, there's 529. Say 26, 27, 28, 29. Yeah, so let's go like this. So we have 526, 527, 528, 529, 530, 531. All right, so the mushroom is at 526. The horseshoe is at 528. And our lucky shamrock is at 530. There once was a leprechaun named Finn, who now says that math makes him grin. You've helped him to see that math is easy when you try hard and never give in. Says, thanks for your help. All right, I wonder how many, if we were to go back and add, how many do you have here? What is your grand total of coins that you have received from this? I think you'd be amazed. Let's see. 20 times 5 is 100. Plus you have a couple bonus ones here and there. I would be really surprised at what you have, okay? Can't wait to see it. See you tomorrow for April Daily Math.